Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new Valorant tutorial video. And in this video, we will talk about how to hear footsteps better in Valorant. So in order to hear the footsteps better in Valorant, we have to tweak some settings. So first, press escape. We'll go to the audio section. Make sure that the overall volume is set to max. Also hrtf is enabled, which in turn provides a better 3D specialization. After you have turned on these settings, you'll be able to hear the footsteps much better. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.